Was Boom Dandimite the first person that you were going to connect with before Bunty and all this?
Yeah. Coach is the first one to see before anyone them, but me and Dynamite just, as we see each other, like we became brethren the same day, connected. You understand? I'm asking, say, I wish studio go, bro. Some studio over Spanish Town, and say, Pirate Camera. And me I said, Dada, Javi drone, so, yo, a nice vibe drone, and say, I'm king, can come all the vibes with the road, man. And I said, yeah. And then after now, a couple of days after we see him and then come check me, and then my time say Bridget, in my ring, when Bridget Bounty Hunter. Yeah, so the day when time you know Bounty Hunter, you know, at Dynamite bring him to know me. Cause me and Dynamite became friend. And through which Dynamite I sing and Dynamite see me I sing. So we said he like me I said, he said bad. And he must say Toddler, you're bad too, you understand? So we compliment each other and we became friends.